everyone, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now, friends. In this video we're talking about the ECOMI coin, friends. A lot of people personally message me on Instagram that kindly make a video on ECOMI coin. As you know, the continuously fast occur in ECOMI coin and the previous last 1 hour, friends. As you can see here at this point, now the change is in about negative 0.29% occurs only in the last 1 hour. It's same like that the last 1 day change is negative 6%, and same like that the last 1 week change is about negative 25%. So that is why a lot of people confused to take a decision at this time that what is the best time to buy, sell or hold, friends. So finally I decided to make a video for my viewers what is the best decision at this time for all of ECOMI holders, friends. So keep watch this video till the end for better understanding, friends. First of all, we look the price of ECOMI coin at this time. So the current price of ECOMI coin is about 0.005904 USD dollar is the current price of ECOMI coin. And the change, you also know that they goes in the fast, friends. The market rank of the ECOMI coin is about 94, friends. Now let's see for more details the last 1 hour price prediction, friends. As you can see here, we can't say about the future of any cryptocurrencies, as I told you in my previous videos, that as you can see here at this time fast occur in ECOMI coin. But if we look at this time, so take a jump occurs also in ECOMI coin, friends. So that's mean the cryptocurrencies change your life in a minute, in a second, friends. So we can't say about the future of any cryptocurrencies, friends. Now they start moving upward in the last 1 hour, friends, and the change become positive soon, friends. Negative 0.29% change at this time. Soon these change become positive when they continue this kind of change, friends. Now let's see the last 1 day price prediction and try to predict the next move of ECOMI, and after that we decide that what is the best time to buy, sell or hold ECOMI coin, friends. If you don't subscribe my channel now, so please subscribe now ABS Tech channel for more news and updates, friends. Kindly subscribe now, friends. Now as you can see here, the last 1 day price predictions of the ECOMI coin is on the screen, friends. The change occur in ECOMI coin in the last 1 day, friends. Negative 4.82% change occur in the last 1 day, friends, and the high price is about 0.00625 USD dollar is the high price of ECOMI coin, friends. Now friends, if we do a technical analysis of the ECOMI coin, so as you can see here, this time that is a support level, that is a support level, and that is a resistance level, friends. That is a resistance level. So they are trying to move upward at this time, friends, but unfortunately they are again fast down for a little time, and after a little fast they again take a jump, continue this kind of period between the support and resistance line, friends. So we can't say about the futures, but I think that according to the previous predictions of the ECOMI, as you know also in the fall, so that is a common phenomena of every cryptocurrency, that after a fast there is a jump. So as you know, the previous hours, the previous last 1 week is also in the fast of ECOMI coin. So hope their next is to be jump, friends. So I think 70% chances to they take a jump and 30% chances to they fast down in the future, friends. Maybe they goes down in the future, but my suggestion for you, if you are a holder of ECOMI coin, you are also in the lows, so keep hold your ECOMI coin with the last of this month, friends. Maybe they goes upward in the future and they will give you a good profit, friends. So what's your opinion about ECOMI coin? Please share in the comment box, and kindly don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates.